Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to do a strong upper body workout. We're going to do 10 simple exercises to strengthen our upper body. All you need is a floor mat to work out on and some space to work in and a bottle of water handy. Again, remember, when you are working out, it's you versus you. You are your own competition and not anybody else. So let's get started. Let's begin our workout. First up is crisscross arms. So open up your arms and just give big crisscross. Keep breathing in and out. Excellent. Keep going. Remember, we're going to do 1 minute each exercise, 10 exercises for 10 minutes, and you're done. Big crisscross arms opens up those chest muscles halfway there. Keep breathing in and out. Keep your core engaged, your body tight. Soft knees, legs firmly on the ground. Come on, a few more seconds here. Keep going. Don't just stop yet. These exercises are focused on the upper body and one more, and shake off any tensions you have. Next up is overhead shoulder press. So keep your hands in this position, push and bring it down, push and bring it down. Now push with firm hands and bring it down. Push like you're pushing something up and bring it down. Keep breathing in and out. Excellent. Push and bring it down. Push and bring it down. Push, bring it down. Keep going. Halfway there. Excellent. Keep focusing, core engaged, nice legs nice and firm on the ground. You should feel a good burn in your shoulders. Come on. Keep breathing in and out. Few more here. Amazing. One more and relax. Loosen it up, shake it off. Next up is double sky punches. Hands in this position, legs just hip width wide apart, and punch, punch and back. Punch, punch and back. 2 times. Punch, punch and back. Right. Keep going. Keep pushing. Come on, double punch. Nice and strong. Keep your hands nice and strong. Core engaged. Your entire body engaged. Excellent. Come on, keep going. Few more. Keep your balance. One last one. And relax and shake off any tensions that you may have. Next up is butt kicks. Stand in this position and we're just going to do butt kicks. Alright, just go for your butt kicks. Legs behind. Amazing. Keep pushing. I'll show you sideways. You're kicking your butt. If you can't do that much, this is a low impact. Alright, this is a bit high impact. Halfway there. Keep pushing. Come on, let's bring that heart rate up. Amazing. We just got 10 minutes workout. We got to give everything we have in it. Alright, keep pushing. And that's it. Shake off any tensions that you may have. Next up is skater swings. So all you're going to do is swing, swing, jump and swing. That's it. Hit it. Skater swings. Yeah. big swings. Come on, full energy. All right. Keep pushing. If you feel you can't jump, do it slowly. If you can go a bit more cardio, then why not? Come on. Excellent. Nice and easy. Excellent. I'm sure your heart rate has gone up now. Keep breathing in and out. Keep some water by your side. And relax. Shake off any tensions that you may have. Alright, in your legs. Next up is elbow punches. So all you got to do is up and down, up and down. Hit it. This should bring your heart rate down. Keep breathing through. Come on, like you're pushing something off. Excellent. Keep going. Simple, nice and easy. Keep going. Come on. Four more exercises after this and you're done. Don't just give up. Couple more. And last one. And shake off any tensions that you may have. Next up is inchworm. Very simple. Go down, drop it, walk, walk, walk. Here and back up. Hit it. Drop it down, walk, walk, walk. Come in a plank position and back up. Keep going. Drop. Do it at your own pace. You versus you. Alright? We are not in competition with anyone else. We just have to get better than what we were before. Come on. You've gone the halfway past mark. Excellent. Simple. Alright? You want to go advanced, you could do a push-up with this. But today we've just gone beginner friendly. Keep pushing. Few more. Drop it down. Hold. And back up. And relax. Shake off any tensions you may have. Next up is inward curl, outward curl. Alright? Fist your hands. Inward curl, outward curl. Easy. Inward curl, outward curl. Inward curl, outward curl. Nice and strong. Alright? Nice and strong. Keep those hands engaged. Keep your arms engaged. Your shoulders engaged. Make sure your core is nice and tight. Soft knees. Alright? Your entire body should work together. No floppy hands. Keep breathing in and out. It's normal that, if we do a bit more intense, your breath is going to go up. And that's absolutely fine. One last one. In and relax. Shake off any tensions you have. Next up is arm circles, big arm circles. So keep your legs a little bit wider. And all we're going to do is arm circles. Alright? Really good for your shoulder muscles, your rotators. Keep your core engaged. We don't want this. We don't want moving like this. Keep your core engaged. Alright. And we are almost halfway there. Pause. Do it the other way. Alright. First inward, now the outward. Keep breathing in and out. Keep breathing in and out. Come on. After this, we have just one more exercise. And we are done with a 10-minute power workout. Keep breathing in and out. Excellent. And relax. Shake it off. Last exercise, go on the floor. We have got Superman. Alright, lie down on the floor. Legs out, hands out. And lift your legs and hands at the same time. And up. Slowly down. And lift with power. Up. And slowly down. Breathe out and lift. And down. Breathe out and lift. And down, halfway there. Breathe out and lift. And down, toes outward. Breathe out and lift. And down. One more time, breathe out and lift. And down. Breathe out and lift. And down. And lift. And down. One last time. Lift. And down. Breathe in. Relax. Hope you felt the burn. And that's your power body, upper body workout complete. Phew, I hope you felt that burn in your body, in your shoulders, in your back and your biceps. Do let me know in the comment section how you found this workout. Was it easy for you? Was it hard for you? What is your fitness level? Are you a beginner? Are you intermediate? Or you are advanced level? Let me know what kind of workouts would you like to see me bring on this channel. Your comments are invaluable because that will help me design my future workouts for you. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit that bell icon to stay tuned to my next workout. See you then.